This Etsy seller has made over $13,660 from selling these AI-generated images. In this video, I'm going to break down 5 more free websites you can use to make money from AI images, even if you're a total beginner with zero experience. Website 1. Let's start with 99 Designs. This website has been around for years, and it's one of the best places where businesses come to get custom designs. Instead of hiring a designer outright, they create contests where designers submit their work, and the winner gets paid. The prizes can range from $200 to $400 per contest, and some are even higher. But you're not going to be designing from scratch. You're going to use AI to do most of the work for you. First, you need to sign up for an account. Go to 99designs.com, and in the top right corner, click on the Login button. On the next page, click Create an Account. It's important to use your real first and last name because that's what will be linked to your payments later on. Once you've entered your details and verified your email, scroll all the way to the bottom of the homepage and click on Design Contests. This is where all the open competitions are listed. Now, you don't want to waste time going through closed contests, so click on the filters at the top and select Open Contests. This will show you active competitions that are still accepting submissions. You also want to make sure that they accept AI images. It will usually state whether AI is allowed or not. Click on one that catches your interest and you'll see a design brief. This is where the client explains exactly what they want. Pay close attention to their requirements because that's how you make sure your AI-generated design actually fits what they're looking for. Now that you have an idea of what kind of design you need, it's time to head over to Kittl. Kittl is an AI-powered design tool that makes creating professional designs ridiculously simple. This is what's going to save you hours of work. Go to Kittl.com, and on the homepage, you'll see a button that says Try Kittl for free. Click on that. You can either sign up with Google or Facebook, or you can enter your name, email, and password manually. Once you're inside Kittl, you'll see a dashboard with tons of templates for t-shirts, mugs, logos, and more. If you're working on a contest for a logo, click on the Logos category. If it's a t-shirt design, go to the t-shirt section. This is where AI really speeds up the process. Instead of starting from scratch, choose a template that closely matches the client's request. Click on a template to open the editor. You can now modify the text, change the colors, and add or remove elements to customize it based on the contest brief. If the client asks for a specific color scheme, you can easily adjust it using the color picker. If they want a certain font style, Kittl has a huge selection of fonts you can choose from. The goal is to tweak the template so that it fits exactly what the client is asking for while still looking professional. Once you're happy with your design, click on the Download button in the top right corner. Choose PNG as the format since that's what most contests require. Now go back to 99 Designs, open the contest page, and click on the Submit Design button. Upload your image, write a brief description explaining how it meets the client's request, and submit it. If the client likes your design and picks you as the winner, you get paid. Website 2. Bonfire is a platform that lets you sell custom t-shirts without having to worry about inventory. You don't have to print anything, ship anything, or handle customer service. You just upload your design, and when someone buys a shirt, Bonfire prints it and sends it to them. You get paid every time someone orders. Go to bonfire.com and click on Get Started. Once you create your account, click on Start a Campaign. This is how you upload and sell your designs. Instead of just uploading random images, think about what sells well. Trendy quotes, niche hobbies, and simple yet bold graphics tend to do best. If you're not sure what to create, scroll through Bonfire's trending designs to see what's popular. Open Kittl again, go to the t-shirt templates and pick one that looks similar to what's trending on Bonfire. Customize it, change the text if you need to, and once you're happy, download it as a high-quality PNG. Go back to Bonfire, click Upload Design, and select your PNG file. Bonfire will automatically show you how it looks on different shirt styles. Set your price, write a short description, and publish your campaign. Every time someone buys a shirt, you make money. Website 3. Design Crowd works similarly to 99 Designs, where clients post jobs and designers submit their work. But instead of contests, these are more like direct commissions. Go to designcrowd.com and sign up. Click on Jobs at the top and you'll see a list of available projects. Use the filters to narrow it down to logo designs, t-shirts, or any other category you want to focus on. Click on a job that interests you, read the details, and then open Kittle to create a design based on the client's needs. Follow the same steps. Pick a template, customize it, and download it. Then go back to Design Crowd, click Submit Design, upload your file, and send it to the client. If they approve it, you get paid. Website 4. Fiverr is another platform where people are making money selling AI-generated designs. These sell well, but to make more money, I recommend focusing on creating and selling mock-up designs because you can charge hundreds of dollars for these. Instead of competing in contests or waiting for a client to pick your submission, you can create a listing and have buyers come to you. Go to fiverr.com and sign up for an account. Click on Become a Seller and follow the steps to set up your profile. Your gig title should clearly explain what you're offering. Something like, I will create unique AI-generated t-shirt designs works well. In the description, explain that you use advanced AI tools to create custom designs quickly and professionally. Set your price. Many sellers charge around $50 to $100 for mock-up designs, but you can start lower to attract your first customers. Kittle has a section for mock-up templates, which makes it easy to create high-quality previews. Choose a template, add your design, and download it. Upload this to your Fiverr gig as an example of your work. When a customer places an order, simply use Kittle to generate their requested design, send it to them, and get paid. Website 5. Not many people know about Wirestock and that they actually offer cash prizes for the best AI-generated images. It's a fun way to make money without needing a client. Go to wirestock.com and click on Sign Up. Once your account is set up, go to the Challenges section. You'll see different competitions with themes, like futuristic landscapes or retro-inspired graphics. Open Kittle and then use its AI image generator to create an image based on the theme, then download it. This looks pretty amazing, and it only took a few seconds. Now go back to Wirestock, click Upload, submit your image, and wait for the results. If your image wins, you get a cash prize. We just covered 5 different websites where people are making serious money using AI-generated images. You can enter contests and win hundreds of dollars on 99 designs. Bonfire lets you sell custom t-shirts without holding inventory. Design Crowd connects you with direct clients who pay for designs. Fiverr lets you create listings and sell AI-generated graphics on demand. And Wirestock gives you cash prizes for AI artwork. You don't need design experience. You don't need an expensive computer. And you don't need to spend weeks learning complicated software. AI tools like Kittle do most of the work. You just need to know how to use them. Which of these websites will you try out? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.